Good morning, I'm Gaither Stevens. I'm going to show you how to update dashboards data with a zip file from this particular vendor will be Service Point, but this will work with Client Track, any different vendor you have out there with an APR. So what I'm going to do is go into my reports, and I'm going to go to my APR, and for this one I'll be running one on my entire COC, and I'll do this for 01/01, 2017, and we'll just run it through the end of the year. And I'll choose some entry exit types to populate. So I'm actually building the APR, and normally what I would do is, you could generate a PDF out of this. That would give you information about your organization. So this can be done on an agency level if I did this provider and its subordinates, or I could do individual project levels as well. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me a report of all of the annual performance report measures. That's quite long. It's, I think, like 16 pages if you put it into PDF, but it covers everything from how many people you served to the veterans, gender, and age, and chronically homeless is broken down. So there's quite a few things. So I'm just waiting for this to build right now in WellSky. And then once it's done, I'll download the zip file. So there, it's done. So now I'll download the zip file. I can tell that it's working. And see if yep, I got a zip file. So now what I'll do is go to the GaitherDyn website, GaitherDyn.com. I'll go to the dashboard menu here up in the top, and I'm going to click on Submission. I can put in my name, but this would be, whoever's name is filling out the form. I'll put my email address. My COC is Gulf Coast Partnership, so I like to use that as a good name. The report type is going to be APR. There's different reports types, but I'll use APR for this. Reporting period, I did this for 2017. I think, pretty sure. I had already put this in, but this will show up in the middle of the dashboard, so you can put information in here, what you do, or if you want descriptions of the dashboard, etc. Now, your report code will be unique to each dashboard. For this demonstration dashboard, I'll just use the word demo, but normally this is like a 16-character code that's specific to you and your dashboard, so you'll want to keep that safe and use that in this slot right here. I'll send you a file that says report code with that in there. We'll then browse for our zip file, right here. It's a zip file I downloaded just a second ago. I'll prove I'm not a robot. Sometimes I fail. And I'll submit. So that's really about it. It will now go through the process of uploading the report, processing it. Overnight, your dashboard will be updated. If you do need to have your dashboard information updated more quickly, you can go to the GaitherDyn website, and under support, I have a help desk, and you can submit a ticket here requesting that the site or your data be updated sooner. Also, I will send an embed code in a separate document, and that will be used for your website if you want to embed that in your website. It's a simple code that makes the dashboard responsive to mobile and tablets, and you just plug it in. If you do your website, you'll know what an embed code is, or if you have somebody that does a your website for you, they'll understand what an embed code is. But those are the two files I send out. I send the report code that you use on the previous form we just looked at, and then the embed code that's used for your website so that you can have the dashboard built right in. Thank you for listening. That's the short tutorial. I'm GaitherDyn.